Imagine the ordinary mailbox transforming into a gold mine. Welcome to the realm of the Quick Cash 1000 Flyer or Postcard program. It's not just a scheme, it's a revolution in the work-from-home industry that's altering livelihoods. Progress through levels with us, and a treasure of $1,000 residual income unveils itself, accompanied by 5 books of stamps. Yes, you heard it right. Your potential earnings are intertwined with your initiative and dedication. Now let's delve into our secret arsenal, full data leads. Picture a comprehensive directory of individuals actively involved in network marketing and multi-level marketing. It's your golden ticket to forging connections with prospects eager to make substantial investments. However, the magic doesn't stop there. The Quick Cash 1000 package is a cornucopia of benefits. It includes 500 full data leads, 500 stamps, $1,000 in grocery coupon vouchers of your choice, $1,000 in fast food coupons of your choice, a 3-day 2-night trip, mailbox cash money marketing kit, and unlimited support. Let's paint a picture of your income potential. When 5 people join your network, that's $5,000 and 500 stamps they send your way. When 10 people join you, that's $10,000 and 1,000 stamps they send to you. The opportunity is infinite. Are you ready to take the leap? Visit our website at www.alyourmoney.net or give us a ring at 346-704-1754 to commence your journey. You can also print out the flyer from our website, fill in your details, and mail it in. Remember, procrastination has led to more lost fortunes than failure. It's time to act. Your thoughts shape your desires, but your actions carve your destiny. Together, let's embark on this remarkable journey to financial success. The Quick Cash 1000 Flyer or Postcard program is here, ready to convert your dreams into a reality. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Reach out to us today and let's transform your financial dreams into reality.